Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can display only the great-grandchild categories with the WooCommerce Category Slider Pro plugin. Make sure that WooCat Slider plugin is installed in your WordPress site along with the WooCommerce plugin. You can directly click on Add New or click WooCat Slider and then click Add New to create a new slider and give it a title. As our goal is to create a slider with only great-grandchild categories, so let's directly move on to the general settings and category type properties. Here you can select a category type from parent and child. So select parent and child to get a few more properties. When you click on the box, you'll get the list of your created categories showing sequentially. That means men is the parent category here, men's accessories and men's clothing are its child category. Pants and t-shirts are its grandchild category, and crew neck styles and v-neck styles are men's great-grandchild category. So select your desired categories to display in the slider. Now let's see if the selected categories are showing in the live preview or not. So click show preview and you can see this is how the great-grandchild categories are showing in the live preview. You can display the great-grandchild categories in another way. Leave the parent and child field empty and then exclude all the category labels except great-grandchild. Now if I update the preview, you'll find the same result in the live preview. You can display the categories in different layout presets like slider, grid and block. Go to the display options to configure category content position from below content, above content, right content, left content and overlay content. Check the box to make the slider card style and update the preview to see the changes. Show or hide the category icon, category name, product count, description and custom text. Configure the shop now button properties from here. Go to the thumbnail settings to configure the slider thumbnails related properties, like you can select a shape, set border, box shadow, zoom, image mode effect. If I select the shape to rounded and update the preview, you will see category thumbnails are showing in a round shape. Go to the slider controls to configure autoplay, navigation and pagination related fields. If you want to change the category text related properties, then go to the typography settings. Here you will find all the options to configure the category text related properties. Suppose you want to change the category name font, then turn it on and select a font family from 900 plus Google fonts. If I select Oswald and update the preview, you can see the text font properties has been changed. Now publish the shortcode and copy it from here. Go to a page where you want to display it. Insert the shortcode in a text code or shortcode block, publish the page and view it. So you can see this is how the great-grandchild categories are showing in the web pages. I hope you have got a clear idea of creating a great-grandchild category. In the upcoming videos, I will come up with another feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.